Hello children, welcome to the series of social online classes. Children, in our introduction class, we have two interesting things, science and social. Let's go to social. In your previous classes, up to second, you have only EVS. From now onwards, you are going to social. Your EVS class, you have the earth lesson. So the earth lesson will go very depth from third class onwards. Up to second class, you learn the plains, hills, landforms and hills, valleys, plateaus. But now third class onwards, you go to continents and oceans. So our earth is like a ball. It is spherical in shape. Our earth, we have continents and oceans. Earth is made up of land and water. Our land is divided into 7 continents. What is continent? A huge land masses on earth are called continents. What is continent? A huge mass landforms on the earth are called continents. We have total 7 continents in the world. We have total 7 continents in the world. First one, Asia. Second one, Africa. Third one, North America. Fourth one, South America. Fifth one, Antarctica. Sixth one, Europe. Second one, Australia. Okay children, let's go through these spellings you have to learn first. Okay, go to Asia. A-S-I-A, Asia. Once you said Asia spelling and learn this one. Second one, Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa. Okay. Third one, North America. N-O-R-T-H, North. A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America. North America. Fourth one, South America. S-O-U-T-H, South. A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America. South America. Fifth one, Antarctica. A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C-A, Antarctica. Sixth one, Europe. E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe. Seventh one, Australia. This is the smallest continent in all 7 continents. A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. You have to learn these spellings and these words also you have to learn these 7 continent names. Okay. Children, we have 7 continents. Okay. So each continent we have some countries including them. So see, in Asia you have total 49 countries. So in Asia we have total 49 countries. In African continent we have 54 countries. African continent we have 54 countries. North America we have 23 countries. In North America continent we have 23 countries. South America we have total 14 countries. South America we have total 14 countries. Antarctica, it is a island territory. There is no countries. It is a island territory. Sixth one, Europe. It has 44 countries in this continent. Seventh one, Australia. It has 3 countries only. Okay. Children, we have, you see these 7 continents. Our India belongs to, in which continent we live here? We have in Asian continent. India is in continent of Asia. Okay. Let's go to oceans. So what is ocean? Landforms means continents. So oceans means huge water masses on earth are called oceans. Huge water masses on earth are called oceans. In our earth, our water is surrounded with 70% of water. In our earth, water percentage is 71%. Hello children, now let's go to oceans. In our earth we have 70% of water. So this 70% of water divided into 5 oceans. Our earth looks like blue. Why? Because we have 5 oceans in our earth. First one, Pacific Ocean. See Nana, spelling once. P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Pacific Ocean. Okay, you learn this spelling. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C, Atlantic. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Third one, Arctic Ocean. A-R-C-T-I-C, Arctic. A-R-C-T-I-C, Arctic. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Arctic Ocean. Fourth one, Indian Ocean. I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian. I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Indian Ocean. Fifth one, Southern Ocean. S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, Southern. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Southern Ocean. Okay children, in each ocean we have, ocean is the combine of seas. In each ocean we have some seas inside it. Pacific Ocean has 12 seas. Atlantic Ocean has 10 seas. Arctic Ocean has 5 seas. Indian Ocean has 7 seas. Southern Ocean has also 7 seas. Okay children, now you learn about the continents and oceans. Now I will ask some questions about these continents and oceans. You have to answer it. Okay? First one, huge water masses on earth are known as dash. Huge water masses on earth are known as dash. So our answer is, think children, our answer is ocean. Second one, huge land masses on earth are known as dash. Huge land masses on earth are known as, think and tell my answer. Okay, sorry. Think that answer is continents. Continent. Next, third one, there are dash continents in the world. There are dash continents in the world. We have total how many continents? 7. 7 continents in the world. There are dash oceans in the world. How many oceans we have? 5 oceans. Okay children, let's move to our another topic, our universe. Okay children, daytime in the sky, what are you see? The sun. Next, nighttime in the sky, what do you see Nana? Stars and moon. Okay, so these stars, moon, the sun and the earth belongs to together form our universe. So we will discuss about our universe. The sun, the earth and 8 planets belongs to form solar system. Belongs to form solar system. The sun is a big ball of fire which has its own heat and light. Sun is a big ball of fire which has its own heat and light. Okay, let's go to our planets. In our solar system, we have total 8 planets in our solar system. First one, Mercury. Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In our solar system, we have Sun and the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay children, these 8 planets we have to learn about the Earth. So Earth is the only planet that has life on it. Up to these 8 planets, Earth is the only planet that has life on it. Next, in order to the solar system, first Sun. After Sun, coming first planet is Mercury. In order is Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. Second one, Venus. Third one, Earth which has life on it. Fourth one, Mars. Fifth one, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. Eighth one, Neptune. So these Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are very far from the Sun. So that's why these planets are very cold. Let's go to spellings. Mercury, M-E-R-C-U-R-Y, Mercury. Okay, children, learn the spelling M-E-R-C-U-R-Y, Mercury. Venus, V-E-N-U-S, Venus. V-E-N-U-S, Venus. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, Earth. Mars, M-A-R-S, Mars. Fifth one, Jupiter, J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn, S-A-T-U-R-N, Saturn. Sixth one, S-A-T-U-R-N, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus, U-R-A-N-U-S, Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Eighth one, Neptune, N-E-P-T-U-N-E, Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E, Neptune. Okay children, you learn these 8 planets. I will ask now some questions based on this solar system. Okay, let's move. Okay, first one, the sun is a big ball of fire. Is it true or false? The sun is a big ball of fire. Is it true or false? You know this answer? Yes. Is it true? The sun is big ball of fire, but we see the sun. The sun looks like very small. Why? Because the sun is very far from the earth. So that's why the sun is a big ball of fire. There are 9 planets in our solar system. There are 9 planets in our solar system. This is true or false, children? You just think and answer. There are 9 planets in our solar system. You know this answer? Yes, correct. This is false. How many planets we have, Nana? We have total 8 planets. The Earth is the only planet that has life in it. The Earth is the only planet that has life in it. We have total 8 planets. We have total 8 planets, but only in the Earth planet only has life. I already told you, the Earth is the only planet that has life on it. Is it true or false? You only think and answer. Yes, correct. It's true. Next, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. You know, Nana, the order of solar system planets? First Sun, after Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. So, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Is it true or false? You only think and answer. Yes, it is true. Okay children, today we will learn about the continents, oceans and solar system. Children, you must refer it and you must learn about the continents, oceans and solar system. Okay children, we will meet in our next online class. Until then, bye. Take care.